The HEM V-100HLM-3 Bandsaw is manufactured in the United States and Oklahoma by HEM, a leader in the bandsaw industry. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industries where precision and reliability are essential. I'm David with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Burger Iron to talk about one of the most reliable and versatile machines in the industry. I'm talking, of course, about the HEM V-100HLM-3 Bandsaw. This is a vertical miter cutting bandsaw with a cutting capacity of 18-inch round and 18-inch by 14-inch rectangular. It has the ability to miter up to 45 degrees in either direction. It's perfect for cutting structural beams and solid with efficiency and accuracy, especially materials like aluminum, stainless, and carbon steel. The HEM V-100HLM-3 we're looking at here is the standard model. The machine has been around for over 50 years, and they have sold a lot of these machines worldwide. It's very efficient at handling segmenting, bundling, miter cuts, and straight cuts with a great capacity. The blade size for this machine is 15 foot in length and 1¼ inch in width. Now let's talk about the blade we're running today. At Sawblade.com, we sell a lot of blades for the V-100HLM-3, and right now we're using the Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blade. This is the perfect blade for the carbon steel we're cutting today because the Q-Saw blade offers incredible performance thanks to its design for structural steel welding and fabrication shops. It prevents tooth chipping with a unique profile, no break-in needed. It offers reduced noise, long life, and excellent cost per cut. This blade reduces vibration, increases blade life, and saves you time and money. At Sawblade.com, we offer the Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blade at competitive prices with fast delivery. The HEM V-100HLM-3 has a 20-gallon coolant tank. Keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting carbon steel. The C5200 is a synthetic coolant for ferrous and non-ferrous metal, featuring low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradability. It enhances tool life and machine maintenance. Like all cutting fluids used in bandsaw, it should be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. It lubricates the blade, reduces friction and heat. It also keeps cuts clean and smooth, but most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. This is the preferred coolant of many of our customers because of its reliability. I've seen throughout the 30 years I've been in this business, using an inferior coolant will result in high blade cost and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. Like a lot of the higher-end machines made, the HEM V-100HLM-3 uses carbide blade guides to keep the blade aligned. These guides are really important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. People don't like to change them because of the cost. It's true that OEM guides from the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron guides are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and cuts perfectly aligned. This V-100HLM-3 machine is loaded with small features that reduce your costs, but you have to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of the chip brush, like the black iron for its chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce costs, and it's often overlooked. Now, the black iron chip brush removes work-hardened chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't cleared, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is a simple one. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off chips without wearing itself out. It's an inexpensive solution that can dramatically extend blade life. To recap, the V-100HLM-3 bandsaw is a versatile miter cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine shop. Paired with the products and service from Sawblade.com, we can make this machine even more efficient. I'm David with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching.